Flush mount kit stainless steel iCOM manufacturer part number MB-132, for M424, M424 and M506 marine VHF. Package dimensions: 1.3 cms, L, by 2.0 cms, W, x 11.4 cms, H. Product type: two-way radio. Package quantity: 1. Country of origin: Japan. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality flush mount device. You'll need this specialty device to convert from gimbal mount to flush mount your radio in your iCOM radio into your boat's dashboard. Super high priced, but they are stainless steel. Comes with all of the hardware necessary for the install. Good but expensive for what they are. These brackets work very well for doing a through panel mount where you have access to the back of the mounting panel. The horizontal adjustment screws are key to a sung fit. However, a couple cut and bent pieces of plumber's tape work well too for a lot less money. These brackets should cost $10 at most.